quick hair review for you guys just because it looks so good right now. Like, I'm loving how natural the curls are looking. My natural hair is blending in perfectly. So I just wanted to share this hair with you guys really quickly. As you can see, I showed you guys how the hair looks coming right out of the package, and after I washed it, when I dried the hair, it returned right back to its curl that it came in. And I just sewed the hair onto a wig cap, and this is what we have. Matting and tangling. I don't get matting in the back. If you get tangles, you can pretty much finger them out a little bit. So that's another reason why I love this hair. So about the shedding is not bad, just because I already knew I was prepared to have shedding, just because I did cut the tracks towards the top of my wig. I only did the fold over method for the 228 inches at the bottom of the wig, and then at the top the 24 inches are cut just so that I can have them lay flat, and I didn't want it too bulky. So the shedding is pretty self-explanatory for how I cut the tracks on the wig. Basically, I'll put in the description box some of the products that I use on the hair to keep it like rejuvenated, conditioner and oils that I use. But other than that, you guys, like, I just wet it periodically, comb it out, and I braid the front of my hair with, I'll put some grease and edge control on it, cornrow the front of my hair, and then I'll take it out the next day and it'll blend perfectly with the curl. So that's another reason why I love this, because I do not have to put heat on my hair at all on the front to blend with this hair. It is kinky curly. All of the details for this hair will be in the description box, and I think that's pretty much it for this hair review, you guys. If you have any other questions, feel free to comment below or message me on my Snapchat. I'm always available there at Mylanie. And yeah, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.